Welcome to this SCQF Partnership pre-workshop video. In case you don't know, the acronym stands for the Scottish Credit and Qualifications Framework. The SCQF is Scotland's national qualifications framework. It's one of the oldest qualifications frameworks in the world, and the SCQF also remains one of the only frameworks in the world to fully integrate lifelong learning. While qualifications frameworks in other countries might just focus on school or university qualifications, the SCQF encompasses a broad range, from school to college to university, and work-based and community learning. So what does the SCQF do? Firstly, it helps everyone understand qualifications, including learners, parents, employers and everyone in between. By understanding the SCQF, learners are better equipped to plan their learning journey. The SCQF provides formal recognition for learning, so if your qualification is on the SCQF, it is seen as a badge of quality assured learning that will be recognised nationally and internationally. It also promotes parity of esteem between vocational and academic qualifications. Finally, the SCQF helps employers with recruitment and workforce development. The SCQF Partnership was launched in 2006. It is governed by a board of directors from member organisations who meet quarterly. All of the bodies represented on the board have a prominent role within lifelong learning in Scotland. The SCQF Partnership team is small, consisting of just 13 members. We deliver on 6 objectives: maintaining the quality and integrity of the framework, supporting key government priorities around education, training and skills, supporting our credit rating bodies, promoting recognition of prior learning, helping employers understand and use the SCQF, and driving wider implementation of the SCQF as a lifelong learning tool. This is the SCQF diagram, and it contains the mainstream Scottish qualifications offered at school, college and university. You'll see it's arranged into 12 levels, with each level increasing in difficulty, so the most difficult qualifications are at level 12. Each qualification is also given SCQF credit points to indicate the amount of notional time involved in completing the qualification. 1 credit point equates to around 10 hours of learning time. SCQF level descriptors are the fundamental building blocks behind each SCQF level, and we'll cover this in more detail in the online workshop. Importantly, this diagram shows you the parity of esteem held by vocational and academic qualifications. You can see that, for example, at SCQF Level 7, there are a number of qualifications, including Advanced Hires, HNCs, Certificates of Higher Education, and Modern Apprenticeships. This means that each qualification, while very different, is considered comparable in terms of difficulty. We've created this alternative version of our framework, which gives an indication of some of the varied learning programmes that have been credit rated and placed on the SCQF. There are over 9,000 other types of learning on the framework besides mainstream qualifications. For example, Outward Bound Trust Adventure and Challenge Award sits at SCQF Level 5, while Mountain Training Scotland's Winter Mountain Leader Award sits at SCQF Level 9. So how does the programme get onto the SCQF? This involves a process called credit rating. Credit rating involves allocating an SCQF level and credit points to a programme. For example, a National 5 sits on the SCQF at Level 5 and is 24 credit points, which equates to 240 notional hours of learning. This can be done in the classroom, assessment or during study time. Any programme can be credit rated as long as it meets the following criteria. A programme must have clear learning outcomes. A minimum of 10 notional learning hours equal to 1 SCQF credit point. Formal assessment and arrangements for internal and external quality assurance. By using these criteria, there's a consistent approach to quality, meaning you can be assured that learning programmes on the SCQF all go through the same rigorous quality assurance processes. Credit rating is carried out not by us, but by credit rating bodies. Here is a list of them. By using a register search tool on the SCQF website, you can quickly identify learning programmes that have been credit rated. The SCQF encompasses over 10,000 learning programmes across all types of learning, and this tool is designed to make navigating a register as simple as possible. Simply click on the Framework tab on the homepage at scqf.org.uk, select SCQF Register and choose from search options such as SCQF level, subject keyword, credit rating body or owner of a qualification or programme. That's our whistle-stop tour of the SCQF complete. If you have any questions about any of the content, please feel free to get in touch or ask us in the workshop. We hope this has given you a good insight and background into the SCQF.